Kies kibatamai. Baru kilong kendai. Lagi ni kendai South kita nampak East Coast Hills. Baru South kita nampak ki others category. Hadway hapo Ribhoy. Lagi ni Prague ni Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces. But kiway long line. West Giant Hills, Iway. West Coast Hills, Iway. East Giant Hills, Arfunyo. Southwest Garo Hills, Iway. West Garo Hills, Patra. Baru kikis. Kibalang aktif hadu mentangsi. Kilang Sihajar, South Spa, Lai Pusau. Pada kini Sihajar, South Spa, Lai Pusau. First part Lai Pusau dan East Coast Hills. But kini first part Lai Pusau, Sispa Sanfua kita nampak Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces. But new part satu new kita nampak West Coast Hills, Lai Pusau. Southwest Coast Hills, Iway. Ribhoy, Sispa Arfunyo. Life Kundai kita nampak Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces. But Pra kita nampak Iway. West Giant Hills Khatar, East Giant Hills Sispa Khatar, West Garo Hills Sispa Lai Pusau, halfway within the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but not kiway Sispa Khatlai. Southwest Garo Hills Nrio, South Garo Hills Arfo, East Garo Hills Arfo R, North Garo Hills Kendai. Di benar cover semai mentasi pulau Khat Kendai. Iway napo Ribhoy, Iway napo East Garo Hills, but Khanyo di napo West Garo Hills. Lakini Khanyo Khandre di napo Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Iway di lagi Iway. Mana kasi dan Iway baklar ibadai positive case but di baklar hadu mentah belum langgar khot kilau kartu case kibala recover baru lang kilau Sihajar Traspa Sapua itas ki bangifa Kilong Silap Ndreo Hajar Ndreuspa Sampsau Hadu Arbaje Mentangsi Kilong negatif Kilong Silap Hajar Sampspa Nyo. Di result report ki bangidang up Kilong Kumba Traspa Prakuwe Ikis Kibat semai baru lang mentangsi kilo kendai. Pada kini kendai East Coast Hills South. Ini South Arfun Rew di high risk contact. Har di INI case, even di health worker, South di returns. East Giant Hills Arfun Rew di nak random sampling for Star Cement Factory Lumshnau, but even napo Umtar Residential School. West Garo Hills, Khatha, Paro Gidi, the high risk contacts. Ribhoy, Hatway, Gidi, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Gidi, the high risk contact, but Iway, the ILI case. West Coast Hills, Iway, high risk contact. Southwest Garo Hills, Iway, the high risk contact. West Giant Hills, Iway, the civilian. Bakhlad no menem step. Kepenting ketemu kedai Swatika Phone. Life plus 6 kata contain Day na po laban Hajar Assamese Girls High School. Pira EE hapo Nazareth Hospital, but Clark Sherman Point Hospital, but katakan lang hakapo real life son instead. Mentah kesu po dari September ahaja aku. Katumna ka history berkali lagi bahaya. Ide badan diabetes mellitus, but hypertension. Ilapang asing lainnya po ye. Dirai imenam start dia hospital, baksha ban po hospital ina khlana. Hospital gede po Nazareth Hospital. Masuk khan kila shimmy example test but kila bilang positive. Ya kan? COVID-19. All Star Cement workers. Kau ni. Baru kita kerja Star Cement.
Ini juga baju gimana?
Tapi ini kerja lagi benar sana. Perfect. Ini dia akan report ke District Surveillance Unit nanti. Biasa akan report dengan District Surveillance Unit, mention ke action kayak gitu begini begini. Namun ada kata teli positif case kin haban quarantine hoto, ke haban isolate hoto. Te la scene lagi pasti lagi kata apa dia report. Te mau try kan kerja kita.